Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to be doing an overview and a detailed review. So if you have any questions whatsoever about this item, which happens to be a Convitoya, if I pronounce that right, portable air compressor. This little thing right here is an air compressor that can do a PSI, pounds per square inch, I believe, up to 150 pounds. Now, full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do one of your detailed reviews and overviews of our portable air compressor? Who am I to say no? So just want to let you know that in no way whatsoever, because this was provided to me, will it positively nor negatively impact my review. Let's get into it. So what all is included? You have this here. You can see how conveniently sized this is. This is it's like a very hard plastic and a black finish. What all comes with it? So you get this. You get the tube that allows you to obviously fill it up. You get a Presta valve, and it looks like this, which I guess is used on like some type of mountain bikes and different things. So if you have this, it basically just screws in as an adapter. It also comes with a inflator like this. It's for like balls of like basketball, soccer balls, any kind of balls that you would use. This type of inflator literally just screws in, and then nice and convenient. It does come with a USB-C charger. It doesn't come with any kind of charging brick. This does not come with it, but this does. Pretty easy to use, just like most things these days. Pretty easy to assemble. And so literally you have a threaded screw design right there. You just screw it in like that, and then you are good to go. Pretty easy to use, digital display. You're basically going to hit the power button there, and it's going to power it on. The nozzle here, a little bit different than how you would inflate most, let's just say, tires, bicycles, or whatnot. Very convenient little screw adapter. So you put it on the threaded, you thread it on, you screw it on, and then once it's on, it's a wrap. It's on there, and then all you got to do is use your compressor. It will show you the pressure of whatever it is you're inflating. So you kind of know right away if you're below or at or above what pressure you need. Very easy to use. I've been using this thing a little bit here, and you have these 4 bars here. That's your power supply, so you know if you're getting kind of low or whatever, how that's all working. It also has a USB feature right here where if you need to use this as, let's say, a backup for a cell phone charger or anything that you would want to plug into this to kind of use this as a battery backup, it does have that convenient feature right there as well. It also provides you with a couple different air pressure metrics, if you will. So it has like PSI, and then it has BAR, whatever that is. I guess depending on wherever you are in the world, you might use that as your pressure gauge. It also has KPA. Again, I don't personally use that, but if that's for you, just so you know, that's in there. And then, so those are 3, and then it has your ability to kind of have presets in here. So you can see there, it has vehicle, and then you can adjust this and say, okay, so like me, I'm going to use PSI, so that would be me. Most vehicles have about a 35-pound PSI for a car tire. You can also preset for, let's just say, motorcycle, moped type tire, in case those use different on a motorcycle. Something a little bit different. You also have, let's just say, a bicycle, if you wanted to use this for a bicycle, balls, and then just sort of a generic, do whatever you want. Very simple to use. You just screw this on, and then once it's connected, all you do is you hit the power button, you just tap the power button, and the inflation process starts. And so if you're under, like in this example, if you're under 35 pounds, because this is a car tire, then when it hits the 35-pound mark, this is like a smart device. It automatically senses that you're at that pressure that you want as far as this is concerned, pounds per square inch, PSI. Once it hits that, it will automatically shut off. Very, very cool and convenient. So if you're worried about possibly overinflating a tire or a ball or whatever it might be, you don't have to worry about that. So pretty cool feature as far as all that's concerned. And so very easy to use. So if you're looking for something that's compact, you can store this in your car. And I will show also It has a nice, convenient, kind of a velvety type, sack, if you will, storage container that everything fits nice and neat. Again, this, and then your charging cord. One thing you might be wondering is how many tires can you inflate on one charge? So here you can now see there's 2 bars, and I've inflated 4 car tires, and so it used about half of the battery power that came with this. So I haven't even plugged this in and charged it. This is just what happens to come with this when it arrived. So I would say with confidence, I could easily go through and do a whole round of tires, 4 tires, twice, especially after a full charge. And that was going from about 30 pounds per square inch up to 35. This doesn't weigh much. It weighs maybe a pound or two, a couple pounds, maybe 2 pounds tops. Very light, easy to use, easy to read, and hopefully that answers any questions you might have about this tire pressure, this portable tire inflator, pressure gauge, everything else that goes along with it. And we'll talk to you soon.